Hey everyone, this is Forrest Tech Reviews here at Best Buy. Galaxy Note 10 full review coming up. Look at that. This is a beautiful phone. I've been using it for 30 minutes now here at Best Buy, and I'm ready to give my final review. The cameras are really good on this phone. The 6.8-inch screen is beautiful. Battery life has been good and will continue to be good here. Look at the color of the phone. Stay tuned, but this is my final review. I might have other reviews coming from Best Buy, but this is a beautiful phone. I've been using it for, like I said, 30 minutes now, and it looks great. The cameras are really good, and the display. So stay tuned. My next review will be on the Galaxy Note 10 after I use that for about an hour. What y'all think about it? Look at the pen. Don't worry about that little Best Buy logo though. That doesn't matter. But peace.